Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place an order on Levi's online. If you don't have a Levi's account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 20% off plus free shipping on your first order. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click log in. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper left part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Shop. Once you're on this page, select a category from the menu. In this video, I want to order women's clothing, so I clicked on the button which says Women. After that, browse and click on the particular item you like. Once you've decided on what to order, click on Add to Bag. After that, you could now select the size. Then click again the Add to Bag button. If you wish to add more items, repeat the previous steps. Once done, click on the bag icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, review the items on your shopping bag, as well as the payment summary. If everything's good, click on Checkout. Lastly, review the shipping address and delivery method. If you wish to make some changes, click on the Edit option. Also, select a payment method, and add gift card if you have one. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you place an order on Levi's online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.